Hi everyone, it's Erin with Simply Made by Erin. Today I'm going to show you how to do a foundation half double crochet. This is a great stitch and a huge time saver. Traditionally, you do a bunch of chains, create a foundation chain, and then go back through and work all of your stitches into that chain. With this one, you get the same effect, but it's all done in one step. So if you're working on a project that needs a certain length, and you're not sure how many chains to create, this one you can just keep making stitch after stitch until you get the proper length. So no more ripping out your work to add more chains. This one just is so much better. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you need to create a slip knot. Once you have your slip knot, we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, insert your hook into the third chain from your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. So a traditional half double crochet, you'd now yarn over, pull through these 3 loops. But with the foundation half double crochet, we need to create a chain first and then a half double crochet. So in order to create the chain, you yarn over and pull through the first loop only. This created a chain, and the second half double crochet you work is going to start under that stitch. Okay, once you're here, you yarn over and pull through 3 loops. That created the half double crochet. So if you can see, you have your first stitch here. This down here is the chain. This is the half double crochet. So let me work a few more stitches to show you. Kind of turn your work like this. It almost looks upside down a bit. So you yarn over, put your hook under these 2 loops, yarn over and draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through first loop, chain created, yarn over and pull through the last 3 loops, and that's the half double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook under these 2 loops. It can be a little tricky to get under those 2 loops, but after you do a few of them, you'll get the hang of it. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Okay. Yarn over, insert your hook into those 2 loops. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. Now the same idea goes into effect for a double crochet. The only difference is I would probably start at the beginning with a chain 4 instead of a chain 3. But let's do a few double crochet. So yarn over, put your hook through these 2 loops. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over under the 1 loop, the chain created first, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 more. There's your half double, or your double crochet. So these would be half double. This one is a double. Let's do 1 more double. Yarn over, put your hook under those 2 loops, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over under 1 loop, chain created, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops, double crochet created. So I prefer this stitch also because it lends for a stretchier piece. I find that the foundation chains can get really tight here at the bottom, and these seem to be quite a bit looser and have a lot more stretch. So I really like them for things like hat bands and things like that. Anyway, I'm going to have the written instructions down below. If you have any questions or comments, please email me or put them in the comments section below. I hope you guys have a nice day. Thank you.